Howdy folks, Daniel Rubino here at WPCentral.com. I'm going to give you a quick tour here of Ask Ziggy, the brand new overhauled version. This should be hitting the marketplace in the next few days, but we'll just give you a quick tour to sort of tease you a little bit. The app is completely different now. Well, I mean, it's still basically the same, but it has all new features. It's redesigned. It looks way better, and I think you'll like the stuff that's here. You can see very minimalist here. You got the little microphone at the bottom. We can go to settings. It now has GPS location, so it can ask, you can pull down things like your weather, where you are. In fact, you can tell where am I. It'll pull down a big map and show your exact address. And you can have enable greeting. Let's ask it some stuff though. What is my daily update?
Good afternoon, Daniel. It is Friday, March 2nd, 2012. 2:21 p.m. I prepared your daily brief. Have a great day. You have one appointment today. It is at 12 a.m. 2 links for mobile nations. Current weather conditions are overcast and cold. You should wear a coat.
So very cool stuff. That's actually a neat little feature you can do. That weather, of course, is based on my current location. You can ask it, though, anywhere you want. What is the weather in Hong Kong?
Weather conditions are mist and cool.
What is the time in London, England?
Friday, March 2nd, 2012, 7:22 p.m.
So you kind of get the idea, right? So you can ask it now all sorts of specific questions. There's also a lot more unique features. The email and the SMS stuff works. Email fill. And so, of course, you can just type your mail and go right into it, and you can write your message. So that's kind of cool. You can do that for calling people. Call Ritz Diner. And so it brings it right up, works perfectly. Can't ask for anything more. What is the capital of California?
Sacramento is the capital city of the U.S. state of California and the county seat of Sacramento County.
So that's kind of cool. You can, of course, still ask it anything you want. I'll go find out on the internet. That's kind of what we expected. But now, if you actually want to use that information and give it to someone, you can actually ask it to email or text that info to someone, and they'll take care of that for you. Email the response. Now you pick your email, and there you go. It's right there, all copied and pasted right to your message. And like I said, you can do that for text messaging as well. Makes it a much more powerful program, in my opinion. Everything seems to be working really well. You can tell it to clear the screen, and it'll do that. You can even set reminders. Set reminder for 30 minutes. And usually it does put in the 30 minutes. I got to actually get the command right a little bit. But you can actually set reminders now. It'll put a live time on your screen. And then, of course, it'll go off and give you a little alarm. Later, they hopefully will be able to integrate that into the calendar itself directly, make it much more powerful. But for now, it's kind of cool. And you can even tell it things like to call your wife, you know, all of this kind of stuff. In fact, the list of commands is pretty massive. It's so massive that there's a whole separate section here for it with even a little picker, which is kind of neat. But you have your reminders. Remind me to call my wife in 30 minutes. Remind me to wake up in 30 minutes. So these are all sometimes variations of things that you can say. Personalized. My name is Lady Gaga, and it'll tell you that. Navigation by voice. Math. These are some of the math things you can say to it. Help me. I need help. What is today's update? So this is what I was doing before. And so you can see, like, you don't have to say it in one specific way. He's programmed many different ways for you to say things in it. Turn off your GPS. Where am I? Where's my location? Locate me. My car is empty. My car is low on gas. So you get sort of the idea. There's a ton of things. In fact, there's about 25 functions you can do with this. So that's a brand new version of Ask Ziggy. Look for it in the next few days in the marketplace. We'll keep you posted, of course, at WP Central. There you go. Take care, folks.